Google just dropped the Pixel 10 with insane AI features that'll blow your mind. But wait till you hear how China's new AI just crashed the entire tech stock market by trillions of dollars. Plus, there's an AI that's literally giving OpenAI a run for their money. For just $1. Let's dive in. What's up, tech fam? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the biggest tech news that actually matters to you. And boy, do we have some game changers today? Let's kick things off with something that just happened. Google unveiled their Pixel 10 lineup, and honestly, this isn't just another phone upgrade. This is Google basically saying, hey Apple, watch this. So Google just announced 4 new Pixel phones. The standard Pixel 10 starting at $799, the Pro at $999, the Pro XL at $1,199, and get this, a foldable Pro Fold at $1,799. But here's where it gets crazy. First off, they're calling their new AI feature Magic Q. Imagine you're about to call an airline and boom, your flight details pop up automatically before you even dial. Or someone texts you asking for your Airbnb address and your phone just knows and suggests it instantly. This isn't just smart. This is your phone literally reading your mind. And check this out. They've got something called Camera Coach that doesn't just take photos, it actively coaches you. It'll tell you the best angle, suggest better lighting, and can even combine multiple photos where everyone looks their best. No more wait, take another one, I blinked. Plus, they're finally bringing magnetic charging to Android with what they're calling Pixel Snap. Basically, MagSafe for Pixel. About time, right? The whole thing is powered by their new Tensor G5 chip, which Google says is 34% faster on CPU, and, get this, 60% better at AI tasks compared to last year. And if you buy the Pro models, you get a whole year of Google's AI Pro subscription worth 220 days for free. But wait, the story gets wilder. While Google's flexing with their new phones, a Chinese company called Deepseek just dropped a bombshell that literally shook Wall Street. They released Deepseek V3.1, and folks, this is huge. This AI model with 685 billion parameters is completely open source, meaning free for everyone to use. And here's the kicker. It's beating Claude 4 Opus at programming tasks while costing literally 68 times less to run. The programming benchmark scores? Deepseek V3.1 hit 71.6% on the ADER test, beating Claude 4 Opus. And the cost? $1 compared to Claude's $68 for the same task. That's not a typo. $1. It can handle context windows of 128,000 tokens. That's like feeding it a 400-page book and having it understand everything perfectly. Plus, it supports multiple formats from BF16 to FP8, making it super flexible for different hardware setups. Now here's where things get scary for investors. Remember Monday? The tech stocks absolutely tanked. The Nasdaq dropped over 3%. Its worst day since August. Nvidia, yeah, the AI chip giant that was worth over $4 trillion, lost nearly $600 billion in market value in one day. That's the biggest single-day loss in U.S. stock market history. Why? 2 reasons. First, an MIT study came out saying 95% of companies investing in AI are seeing 0 returns. 0. And second, even Sam Altman from OpenAI is warning we might be in an AI bubble similar to the dot-com crash. Palantir dropped 10%, Broadcom crashed 18%, AMD fell almost 8%. It was a bloodbath. The fear is real. If Deepseek can build something this powerful for just a few $1 million, while U.S. companies are spending hundreds of billions, what does that mean for all these AI investments? But wait, there's more! While everyone's freaking out about Deepseek, Alibaba quietly dropped Qwen image edit. And this thing is insane for creators. This 20 billion parameter model doesn't just generate images, it edits them with surgical precision. Want to change text in an image? Done. Need to rotate an object 180 degrees to see the back? No problem. Style transfer, object removal, background replacement, it does it all. And here's the best part. It's beating GPT image and Flux on benchmarks. On the GDIP bench, it scored 7.56 compared to GPT Image's 7.53. On ImG edit tasks like object replacement and style changes, it's crushing the competition with scores above 4.6. The crazy thing? It can edit text in both English and Chinese while keeping the original font, size, and style perfect. Try doing that in Photoshop without spending hours. Plus, and this is huge for creators, it's completely open source with an Apache 2.0 license. That means you can use it commercially without paying licensing fees. Take that, Adobe. So what does all this mean for you? First, if you're in the market for a new phone, the Pixel 10 is bringing serious AI game to Android. Those AI features aren't gimmicks. They're actually useful stuff that'll save you time every day. Second, if you're a developer or creator, Deepseek V3.1 and Qwen Image Edit are free tools that rival paid services costing hundreds of dollars a month. The playing field just got massively leveled. And third, if you're investing in tech stocks, maybe diversify, because this AI race just got a lot more competitive, and the old rules about who wins might not apply anymore. The bottom line? We're living through an AI revolution that's happening way faster than anyone expected. China's not just catching up, they're innovating in ways that are forcing Silicon Valley to completely rethink their strategy. What do you think? Are we in an AI bubble about to burst? Or is this just the beginning of something even bigger? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if this video blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on, because the tech world is moving at light speed and you don't want to miss what happens next. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the future isn't coming. It's already here. Peace out.